This is the best damn lemon pesto pasta you will ever eat. It's from a restaurant in Amalfi that my husband Ryan and I fell in love with. And we begged them and begged them and begged them for the recipe, and they wouldn't give it to us. Apparently, it was Grandma's secret. Damn you, Grandma! We love this pasta so much. We literally dream about it. So I had to figure out how to make it. I tested it and tested it and tested it over the course of about 10 years. I got it wrong about 1,000,000 times. One sweet, magical night, I got it right, and it's so freaking good. It is so good. I'm so excited to share this with you. I hope that you like it as much as I do. Serve it with a salad and some limoncello for dessert to feel completely transported to the Amalfi Coast. Ciao, friends.